wanna go light, right? Oh boy. Alright, man. Huh? Yes, I know I owe you, but at the same time you didn't say it. You didn't say it. You didn't say it. You talk about you talk about the money that I owe you for the tape and the broth and the water, right? Yeah, you didn't say it. All right, you didn't say it.